Hey there friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Fingerprint lock. This is a waterproof gym lock, USB charge, security fingerprint. I picked this up off of Amazon for about $34. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. Alright, so in the box. Oh, there it is, cute little guy. Okay, well, it feels pretty stout, actually. I mean, it's a lock, obviously, but I wasn't expecting it to be pretty sturdy there. Okay, so it's got a USB charge port here in the back, so it looks like it's a micro USB. Oh, it just beeped at me. Okay, well, I opened it already. So, let's see. Okay, it just locked it. Oh, right out of the box. I mean, I can open it with my fingerprint. So that's pretty sweet. I don't know if that's the initial setup thing, the first fingerprint that comes online, but it locks when you put it in there. It's got a little cable here. With the plastic coating around it. Let me try my other finger, see if that works. Open it. That also worked. Okay, let me try a thumb. Let me try a knuckle. Okay, it looks like everything's working right now, so probably would help if I read the instructions to figure out how this is going. But first thoughts. Appears quite sturdy. It's got some good weight to it, some pretty heavy-duty metal there. It says it can recognize up to 10 groups of fingerprints. So that's pretty neat. I will be doing a demonstration and a final review here later on, but I was just going to show you the unboxing there real quick. So let's continue on and see what else is in the box here. So nice little foam. There's a whole bunch more stuff back in there. I got kind of carried away with the lock there, but here we have your instructions. Okay. Oh. Okay. The USB charging cord. I'm going to go ahead and get this fully charged before I continue on with the demonstration, and a pretty cool little bag for it to go into. So some neat stuff there, and that's it. Thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. Like I said, I will be doing a review and demonstration video soon after we get this charged up, and I usually leave a link in the description below when that is finished. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends. We'll see you soon, and everyone take care out there.